Now, Motionboard has a lot of chart and spreadsheet that you can use to display your data. Now, I'm gonna show you how you can adjust the style for the chart specifically so that you can get what you really want or what you really need to display the data, because sometimes you need a little bit of adjustment to make sure that, alright, I'm gonna show the chart in this specific color instead of just relying on Motionboard to show the color, which usually is not really um, representative, I guess. So I'm just gonna show you how. Okay, so we are in our usual dashboard. We're gonna go to the edit mode. Now we are gonna show, we will take a look at this chart specifically on the left. Now this is our chart, which is a bar chart. Now to adjust this, there are several ways that you can do. First, you can go to here, you can left click, and then you can go to the edit chart. Now edit chart is a menu that will display the option that you can choose based on the chart or spreadsheet that you've clicked. So if you click a chart, if you press this, which is a spreadsheet, it will show display, it will show different menu. But if you press the chart, it will show a different menu which is more suitable for chart. Now you can take a look, and there are many colors that you can choose. For the color style, there are options to show or hide legends and many others, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you specifically how you can adjust the style. Now this is as you can see, the color has been changed. However, as you might have seen, the only option available is only for the background. If you take a look now, we wanted to edit the not only the background but also the foreground or the board itself. Now to do this, there are also the second way, which is also available right from the get-go, which is the design setting. So we click on the chart, we put the design setting. Now it will open up a new menu that will display options of styles that you can choose, and all you have to do is just click on it, and you can see there are many options that you can choose. This, right, I'm gonna choose pick one. Now not only will change the color, the background, but also you will show the legends, the menu, the many other things, because the entire style is gonna be changed based on what you click. Okay, let's just apply this one now. As you can see, the style has been changed. Okay, that is the second one, which is probably the second easier way. However, once again, it's still not showing how we can adjust the chart, the bar specifically. Now there are also the third way, which is changing it specifically by right clicking it on the bar. Okay, I'm gonna put this. You have to right click on the bar and then change column style. It will open the column style menu, and then you go to the color settings. Now as you can see, it will change, it will open up the color settings menu. Now as you might have guessed, yes, this is where we can change our bar color. Now if you take a look, there are row items value, column items value, summary item name, and summary fill and color. Now based on what you've clicked, it will automatically insert the summary item that we have inserted into the edit data source. As if you remember, I'm gonna show you. Let's open this edit data source, and as you can see, the summary item is budget. That's why when we right click on this, change color style, color settings, it will show you that, oh, so this bar is showing the budget summary item. So that's why the color is here. Now Let's just try to change the color. So from yellow I'm gonna change it to red. Okay, you can pick many other colors, but I'm gonna choose red. Then it comes in two different color because this is the default option in case you want to make a little bit of gradient. But if you want to make a solid color, just make sure that you choose the same color for both of these. Now after this, don't just press OK, we need to press new. That will save our settings. As you can see, if we press new, it will save in here. Press OK and then OK, and then as you can see, it shows the settings that we have adjusted. So let's try again. Let's change it to this color. I'm not sure what the color is, but say if we want to change the color, instead of pressing new, we're just gonna press the update. Press OK, and then there you go, the color has been updated. Now let's change again. Let's go to canvas style, color settings. Okay, this is color. We just need to press let's say we want to I would have tried this one. Okay, so this is how we can change the style. Now this option is not only limited for let's say the bar chart, but also for any other type of chart, because it has the same concept, which is displaying the summary item, and we have set up the summary item style based on what we have adjusted. Now let's say if we want to edit again, just make sure that you press on the chart line or bar or any other image that portrays the value of the summary item. Right click and then make sure that there is this change column style menu popped up. Otherwise, if you right click and then it doesn't show, that means you did not you haven't really clicked on the required picture image. I click this, change column style, we check a look, and it will show you the same thing. If we want to delete this, we're just gonna press this one and then OK, and there you go. As simple as that. Now that's pretty much it. Hope this helps, and yeah, hopefully you can make a little bit more colorful or more stylized version of your dashboard. Okay, thank you for watching.